Hello guys, for today I'll be teaching you how to download torrents. So first, you need to download the uTorrent software or anything for torrent use like BitTorrent or something. If you don't have one, I'll put the link on the description below. Okay, for example, I'm going to download a movie from the site YTS.am, a site of movies for any type. Yes, and you can search or pick whatever you like here. For information, this is a torrent site. Whatever you download here is a torrent, not the video file already. Okay, so this I'm sorry for the ads. Okay, so you just click download and then the magnet icon and whichever quality you want. Then yes for the usage of uTorrent. After that, you just have to wait or a few seconds. Just click yes or configure your destination folder. Now it's downloading. Okay, now it's downloading, but I show you another way to use a torrent. So if you go back to your yts.am site, you can search for another movie and then download the torrent file. For this instance, I'm going to search Little Women. Then click this, and then sorry for the ads. Click download and then download torrent on whichever quality you like. Then you can click that icon after it downloaded and it will lead you to uTorrent again. But there's still another way. In this case, you find the torrent file and then drag it to uTorrent to start the download. Then click yes and whatever. Then you just have to wait for your files to download. After finishing, you can check your downloaded files by right-click and open files. Then you could click it.
I'm not responsible for this.
To save people you don't even know.
Enjoy watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
The tree is here and will be ours. I cannot share my discoveries with their masters.